Namaste, Khushro Bhatia. I, Jimin Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today I will discuss about the topic Regulatory Authorities of European Union. Regulatory Authorities of European Union. This topic belongs to the subject Pharmaceutical Regulatory Affairs for the B Pharm 8th semester students. So this is the topic European Union. Intergovernmental political and economic union of 28 European countries having internal single market through standardized system of law. Established under the name in 1992 by the Treaty of European Union, the Maastricht Treaty, European Medicine Agency (EMA) is a decentralized agency of the European Union. European Medicine Agency protects public and animal health by ensuring that all medicines available on the European Union market are safe, effective, and of high quality. The agency is responsible for the scientific evaluation, supervision, and safety monitoring of the medicine developed by pharmaceutical countries for the use of United Union, for the use of European Union. European Medicine (EMA) and member state corporate and share expertise in the assessment of new medicine and of new safety information. By working closely together, member states reduce duplication, share the workload, and ensure the efficient and effective regulation of medicines across the European Union. Market authorization to protect public health and ensure the availability of high quality, safe and effective medicine of European citizens. All medicines must be authorized before they can be placed on the market in the European Union. The agency's Committee for Medical Product for Human Use or Committee for Medicinal Products for Veterinary Use carries out a scientific assessment of the application and gives a recommendation to the European Commission on whether or not to grant a marketing authorization. EMA enables one application, one assessment, one market authorization for the whole of the European Union. A European Public Assessment Report or European Public Assessment Report is published for every human or veterinary medicines that has been granted or refused a marketing authorization following an assessment by EMA. The role of EMA. The role of EMA. What is the role of EMA? EMA plays an important role in the regulation of medicines in the European Union. On the basis of scientific assessment carried out, it grants or refuses, changes or suspends marketing authorization for medicines that have been submitted via the centralized procedures. The European Commission can also take action concerning other aspects of medicine regulation. Right of initiative, it can propose new or amended legislation for the pharmaceutical sector. Implementation, it can adopt implementing measure as well as oversee the correct application of European Union law on pharmaceuticals. Global outreach, it ensure appropriate collaboration with relevant internal partners and promote the European Union regulatory system globally. Guidelines and scientific advice. EMA prepares scientific guidelines in cooperation with experts from its scientific committee and working groups. These guidelines reflect the latest thinking on developments in biomedical science. They are available to guide the development programs of all medicine developers who wish to submit an application for an marketing authorization in the in the European Union, and to ensure that medicines are developed consistently and to the highest quality. EMA also gives product specific scientific advice to companies for the development of medicines. Authorization and supervisions of manufacturers in European Union. Manufacturers, importers and distributors of medicines in the European Union must be licensed before they can carry out those activities. The regulatory authorities of each member state are responsible for granting licenses for such activities taking place within their respective territories. All manufacturing and importing licenses are entered into UDRA GMDP, the publicity available European database operated by EMA. Manufacturers listed in the application of medicine to be marketed in the European Union are inspected by an European Union competent authority. Inspection outcome can be assessed by all member states and are made publicity available across the across the European Union through UDRA GMDP. In order to be imported to the European Union, an active pharmaceutical ingredients need to be accompanied by a written confirmation issued by competent authority of the country where it is produced, and confirming that the good manufacturing practice applied is at least equivalent to the recognized European Union GMP standards. Every batch of medicine must be certified as having been manufactured and tested in accordance with GMP and in conformance with the marketing authorization before it can be released into the market in the European Union. It is the product is manufactured outside the European Union and has been imported, its need to undergo full analytical testing in the European Union. Safety monitoring of medicine in the European regulatory system of medicine monitors the safety of all medicine that are available on the European market throughout their lifespan. All suspected side effects that are reported by patient and healthcare professionals must be entered into UDRA vigilance. The European Union web-based information system operated by EMA that collects, manages, and analyzes reports of suspected side effects of medicines. These data are continuously monitored by EMA, and the member states is ordered to identify any new safety information. The committee provides advice and recommendation to the Europe Medicines Regulatory Network on the risk management, planning, and benefit risk assessment for medicine after marketing. Now we come to the clinical trials. The authorization and oversight of clinical trial is responsibility of the member state in which the trial is taking place. The European Clinical Trial Database tracks which clinical trials have been authorized in the European Union. It is used by NCAs and clinical trial sponsors to enter information protocol and results of clinical trials. A subset of this information is made publicity available by EMA via the European Union Clinical Trial Register. So now we come to the MHRA, Medicine and Healthcare Product Regulatory Agencies, is an executive agency of the Departmental of Health of United Kingdom. MHRA was set up in April 2003, bringing together the function of Medicine Control Agency. and the medical device agencies. MHRA is responsible for ensuring that medicine and medical device work and are acceptably safe. MHRA function when the company wants to start clinical trial in patients. Roles: licensing. Manufacturers and dealer license, clinical trial license, and parallel import license is very important for the dietary supplement and veterinary product and cosmetics. Marketing authorization, majorly by four processes: centralized procedure, national procedures, uh, decentralized procedure, and mutual recognition procedures. These are very important procedures for the regulatory requirement of European Union, MHRA, and TGA. So this is the complete session for the pharmaceutical regulatory affairs of B Pharm 8th semester students. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you students, and thank you for the listening.